What's up, YouTube? This is Fitz White with Greensboro iPhone Repair. Today we're going to be doing just an initial diagnostic video. Try and get these 5 devices I have repaired. And without further ado, let's just get into it. Alrighty, so these are the devices, that we need to repair. This is a 6S Plus. It doesn't turn on, no power, you can see. Doesn't get anything. It has been repaired before. I repaired it. I sold it to a friend. So hopefully we can get that one working. This right here will be an iPhone 6S Plus. It seems to work. There's a password on it. I do know the iCloud information, so hopefully we'll be able to get that reset and ready to be sold. And then right here we have an iPhone 8. This was a big score. iPhone 8s are worth a decent amount, but issue is they had it repaired before and touch does not work. These 3 I all bought from the same person, and they showed me that the iCloud was attached to all of them and that they gave me the password. And now this iPad, it was working last night. There we go. Seems to be turning on. Yeah, so basically we're gonna run through. Let's get started with this 6S Plus. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna need to pop open this 6S Plus. We're gonna take the case off first. Sorry, this is my first time ever doing a repair under a camera. 6S Plus, nothing. Alrighty. We're gonna take out the bottom screws. It does appear to be missing one. I don't know where that went. We're gonna put that down on our magnetic screw mat. There it is. Alrighty. Grab our iSesame and just crack that bad boy open. So batteries for 6S's and 6S Pluses, or any 6 for that matter, you can usually remove them without replacing the screen or without taking the screen off. I like to take the screen off just for precautionary measures, but for this one I know I've replaced the battery before and I didn't use too much adhesive, so it should come up pretty easily. So we're just gonna come in here, take the battery screw out. It is actually missing the right one. I think I just kind of put this phone together for a friend who needed one ASAP. So we're gonna take a plastic spudger, pry up that battery connector. Make sure you don't get the actual battery connector on the motherboard. Make sure you're just pulling this up. And then that should just pop out. With the OEM battery, there's adhesive you have to pull out. You can look up a video on that, but this one I just put a little bit of adhesive in there just to hold it in place. And let me grab the other battery. Alrighty, so we're back, new battery. One thing that I've learned is keeping parts in stock is crucial to an iPhone repair business. Being able to get a repair done that day. But so basically we're gonna snap this down in there. I'm gonna keep the plastic on just for now, just to make sure it works. And then we're just gonna close it, see what we can get. I'm not getting anything. Let's try and hold the home and power button down for 10. 1. Alrighty, nothing. Let's feel this battery, see if it's getting warm. Not feeling anything. Let's go ahead and unplug it, try reseating it, and try and reseat the charge port as well, just in case. Alrighty, so we're gonna pop that out. We're gonna pop this down, and let's actually plug it into a charger this time. See if that does anything differently. Alrighty, come on. Alrighty, so we have an Apple logo. Let's try and unplug that. Alright, it's turning on without a charger. And let's see, I'll come back to you once it's turned on. Alrighty, so the 6S Plus did appear to be going into a boot loop, so we're gonna work on this 6S now, just to check it out. It does appear to be password locked and she does not know the password. So what we're gonna do is stick it in DFU mode, plug it into iTunes, and get it restored. So let's go ahead and get to that. Alrighty, so we have the 6S in recovery mode. About to restore it. Don't know what that error was for, but hopefully it won't interfere with our restoring of this phone. And as you can see, I'm not at my normal workstation. This computer is just hooked up directly to my modem, so it can download the software a lot quicker. So yeah, come back to you after this is fully restored, and we'll see what we can do. Alrighty, so just a quick update on the 6S Plus. It did appear to go to the home screen one time. I'm going to leave it plugged in. That could just mean that the battery doesn't have enough juice to fully power it up, or it could just need to be stayed on the charger for a little bit longer. We're about to find out and see though. Alrighty, so the 6S Plus is fully restored. Does not appear to have an iCloud on it. We're just going to run through the setup, make sure it's all good. Sorry. Alrighty, so we have a nice and working 6S Plus. Let's check how many gigs we got. 64 gigs, sweet. So we have a 64 gig 6S that is ready to be sold. I'm going to list it here shortly. So now we have one working good phone ready. Let's go and check on that iPhone 8 Plus and see if we can get it repaired. Alrighty, and this 8 Plus is from my good friend Alex out in California. He did it as a mail-in repair. It's an 8 Plus. Unfortunately, we will not be replacing the glass back, because that is one of the most hard repairs if you watched Jerry Rig Everything's video on that. But right now I'm just waiting for it to charge up, just to test it all out, and we'll see what's going on. Alrighty, and we are now going to do the 8 Plus repair.
Dreaming up this shit for a while now. Got me high now.
see if Touch ID works. Alright, looks like it's working. Set up Touch ID. And it looks like he already reset it, so hopefully I won't have to. Of course I'm going to agree to your terms and conditions, Apple. Why else? Get started. Alrighty. Home button seems to be working. Let's do it. Alright. Feeling everything. Cool. Let's do a voice memo test. I like to do this on all phones. Continue. Test, test, test. Alrighty. Test, test, test. It does appear to be coming through. Let's play it a little bit louder. Test, test, test. It is working. Cool. And actually, we're gonna go ahead and delete this. Come on, baby. Delete. Recently deleted. Erase. Check the cameras. Alrighty. That camera does. Cool. Alrighty. Time to put these last screws in. We're gonna go ahead and power it off. And let's clean up the charge port while we're at it.
I'll be in the backseat smoking on thrags. Can I have some cash, please? You don't gotta ask. You don't gotta ask me. She don't gotta ask. Still yelling free Max B, free Gucci. Fuck me in the backseat, baby, make it last. I remember last week came too fast. Lil Pete nasty, scratches on the back. But I got racks and she loving all my tags. Making money back. Everybody wanna ride around town with me. Making money ride downtown with me. Everybody wanna ride around town with me. Making money ride downtown with me. I'll be in the backseat smoking on thrags. Can I have some cash, please? You don't gotta ask. You don't gotta ask me. She don't gotta ask. Still yelling free Max B, free Gucci. Fuck me in the backseat, baby, make it last. I remember last week came too fast. Lil Pete nasty, scratches on the back. But I got racks and she loving all my tags. Making money back.
And the bottom screws are sticky and low power. Let's put the charger in and see if it's going in a little bit better. So we cleaned it out. It did appear to go in, and it is charging. Cool. I'm not going to trust the start on my token of iTunes, but it's all working. We're going to let it charge up and then get it sent it back to the customer. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed my first ever video on my iPhone repair business. I was just doing this to show you that the business is not all fun and games. You are going to run into some issues, but dealing with customers and issues are just in any business, you're going to run into it. One of the things I love about iPhone repair though, I love technology. I love working with small electronics. I've been learning some micro soldering, and hopefully this channel can further venture into those kind of topics. I know I didn't finish all the phones in the video like I said I would, and I will save those for a future video, but the 6S, I'm glad we got that all working good. I'm ready to sell that. This 8 Plus ready to be sent back to my friend in California, and that 6S Plus, we're gonna do some more testing on it, see if it's a motherboard issue or see what else is going on with it. We have some more phones to get done today, so I'm gonna put my phone on the charger because I've been filming with it all morning, and yeah, let's get on with our day.